Hello, this is Takahiro at Team Yokomo. Today, I will introduce already known new option, rear motor conversion kit. First of all, let me tell you about the engineering background and concept. I often asking customer about the desired new option for YD-2 series and replied me more and more traction from many customers. So we started to consider how and come up with an most effective approach, that is rear motor layout. Then we have created many prototypes in several motor locations, height and gear types, and finally found the best combination like this. This is what the kit looks like. This is the gearbox specially designed for rear motor conversion. Differentials are all the same with conventional YD-2 cars. The attachment here is the plastic-made special design, and also prepared the special spacer for shock tower, because shock tower need to be little move forward to align the new location of the spar gear. So please use this new spacer in order to keep the location of the body post. And then motor mount is also a new designed one. There are 6 holes to select the motor location. By changing the motor height, center gravity will changes. So very flexible setup can be possible for any type of track surface. This brand new option will be available for all type of YD-2 series. Actually, this car is YD-2S, so this is plastic composite main chassis. The shock tower also S-type, but all type of shock towers are possible, such as plastic, carbon, and aluminum. Then there is an important point when installing at YD-2S series that is not having with upper deck. There will be 3 additional items need to be purchased at YD-2S series customers. First of all, upper deck. And also brace and battery holder. E-type battery holder is essential for installing at YD-2S type.
バッテリーホルダーがアッパーデッキ代わりに付属されてるんですけども、今回アッパーデッキを使用することによってバッテリーが止められないということがありますので YD-2E シリーズの
As for the customer who use YD-2E, E+, and EX2S, no need to purchase those 3 items. It is possible to be installed as it is.
ご使用のお客様は特に買い足すものはございません。
After you install rear motor conversion kit, car setup will need to be changed since the car weight shift has updated. Front section may be no need to change, but the rear section will require some changes. As for the spring, please select one grade harder one. If you do not like more harder spring rate, please change the shock layout to be more outer side to select the outer holes on shock tower. This is also effective approach for rear motor layout car setup. This new option, rear motor conversion kit, is one of the best buy items out of entire optional items on YD-2 series. Please try and feel the difference.